Balik tayo sa local sports news. Matapos mabaon sa 21-point disadvantage, isang comeback victory ang pinamalas ng Gilas Pilipinas sa kanilang FIBA Asia Cup send-off game kontra Macau Black Bears noong Lunes sa Araneta Coliseum na nagwakas sa score na 103-98. Balikan natin ang aksyon sa ulat ni teammate Daryl Oclares.
Pambihirang puso ang ipinamalas ng Gilas Pilipinas sa kanilang FIBA Asia Cup send-off game nitong Lunes sa Araneta Coliseum. Bagamat nalugmok sa abot na 21 points sa first half, impresibong second half ang ipinakita ng Gilas para pataubin ang hot shooting ng Macau Black Bears 103-98. Sa kanyang unang laro para sa national squad matapos ang kanyang recovery sa thumb at UCL injury, to the rescue ulit si Justin Brownlee na tumipan ng double-double 32 points at 15 rebounds kasama pa ang 5 assists at tig-isang steal at block. Ayon kay Brownlee, kung pagbabasehan ng pinakita nilang laro kontra sa Black Bears, tiwala siya na kaya nilang makipagsabayan sa FIBA Asia Cup.
Like our chances, the team has been having really great practice. Training camp went very well. As you guys see tonight, I think the second half is more how we want to play, especially on the defensive end. And yeah, it's been a really great few weeks for us. So I'm just excited overall for everybody. You know, everybody's getting more comfortable with each other. The chemistry has been really great. So I'm just excited overall for the whole experience, and I can't wait to see how we do out there.
Bukod kay Brownlee, nagpakitang gilas din si Dwight Ramos na nakapagtala ng 19 markers, 6 dimes, 4 boards, 2 steals at 1 block. Para kay Ramos, team chemistry ang isa sa kanilang magiging sandata para magwang manalo sa kanilang mga laro sa Continental Meet.
Just the fact that we've been together a lot already, and you know, it's really fun being around the guys. So that camaraderie that we have on and off the court, you know, it makes it really fun, and we always want to come back here, keep playing with Gilas.
Hangad naman ni Gilas Pilipinas head coach Tim Cone ang gintong medalya sa torneo para makabawi sa kanilang early exit noong 2022. Pero aminado ang multi-titled coach na hindi ito magiging madali.
I'll say it again. Our goal is to win a gold medal. I mean, that's our goal. We're going to go out there and try to win a gold medal. Will we? I'm not sure. That's certainly our goal. That's not what we're focused on, though. We're focused on every day. You know, what we do every day. We're focused right now on the first game we play. And beyond that, there's nothing. Right now, our goal is certainly to win a gold medal. And we'll do what we can to get there. But we're not going to look that far ahead. Right now, our goal is there, but our focus is what's right in front of us. And that's practice on Wednesday.
Samantala, sa panayam naman kay Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, President Al Panlilio, hanga umano siya sa ipinakitang laban ng Gilas sa kabila man ng kawalan ng ilang mga players dahil sa injury.
Good. I think first half a bit rusty a little bit, and we focused in the second half, especially on defense, and played tough. And I think you could see the potential of the team. And you know, Kai, Junmar, and Calvin is they're not even playing. So really a great team in my view. And again, of course, we're going to the FIBA Asia Cup, but World Cup is our vision. So we want to compete in the World Cup.
Pahinga muna ang Gilas Pilipinas ngayong Martes, pero sa Miyerkules may isang araw pa silang ensayo sa ilalim ni Coach Tim bago lumipad patungong Jeddah, Saudi Arabia kinagabihan. Sa August 2, makakarapan nila ang Jordan para sa isang tune-up game bago umarangkada ang kanilang kampanya sa FIBA Asia Cup kontra sa Chinese Taipei sa August 6. Daryl Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.